how to turn on and get the dark mode on GitHub. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode on GitHub easily and fast. First thing, go to GitHub. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down, choose profile. After you choose profile, click right here on your profile picture and it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on appearance. After you choose appearance, now all what you have to do is go right here and click on dark color right here. As you can see, now we have the dark mode as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later.